Hey, what's up, XRP holder? And this time, absolutely, XRP is completely on the trending. Not just unique XRP, XRP and Cardano. The both coins will starting moving upward continuously at the start of this month, and definitely this time, absolutely, the result is going to be very good. Now, 110.88% they will get a profit, and this time, as you can see here, the price 1.34 USD dollar. I think the price is totally going to be very good now, and this time, as you can see here, they will be increasing now. So the price, if you can see here, my friend, the price is increasing, so that's clear, my friend, without any doubt. You need to buy more and more. And let's start the price prediction of XRP. But kindly, if you are new to my channel, now click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my brother, so in this video I will clearly tell you, my brother, remember to, this is not a financial video, so without any doubt please research personally after watching this video and then take a decision. At this time, as you can see here, the price is continuously increasing in those days, and remember to last 10 days of every month, last 10 days, every coin will starting moving upward, and this is the one big reason to every coin will moving upward at the end of month. And the reason was that to absolutely, especially short term investor, they will starting investing and they will get a very good profit in very short time. So therefore every coin will moving upward and last 10 days, so therefore they just in only invest for last 10 days, and definitely at the last days, my friend, of the month they will starting selling, so exactly they will get a very good profit now. So I will notify you, my viewers, my subscribers. So if you have any plan to invest for a short time, now these last 10 days of every month is good for a short time investing. But if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so please, without any doubt, invest for 1 year, for 2 year. Who have a plan, my brothers, for 5 year, so congratulations to, they will make you a millionaire now. So hope you understand something new in this video. My prediction is totally going to be positive now. I hope to, at the end of this month, they will give you 1.5 USD dollar if they will just only get 100% profit now in every, my friends, day with the price will increasing now. So therefore I will notify you to please don't sell it. Sell it at the end of month. I will give you guarantee to, they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching XRP holder. Please like video, subscribe channel.